Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 7, class F10A. Today we are going to present about annuity. So we have me, Muhammad Nur Aiman. We have Afiq, Fatimah and Rukaya. Next is table of content. We have four, and it is introduction to annuity, methodology, result and interpretation, and conclusion. Next is this is our introduction on annuity, a monthly savings plan that provides a reliable income in the future is an annuity. In exchange for your regular payments, such as those made on a monthly or annual basis, you will eventually get income. Annuities are a popular way for people to save for retirement. Annuities come in a variety of forms. Some have set payouts, while others are dependent on even investments. By spreading out your payments, annuities help you guarantee a steady income in the future. So next is Bank Islam program description. We have seven. The first one is personal programs, and then business programs. The third one, digital banking. Fourth one, community initiatives. Fifth one, wealth management. The sixth one is corporate banking. And then the last one is Hajj and Umrah services. Next is a little bit background about the company Bank Islam. Bank Islam is the forerunner of Islamic banking in Malaysia. Bank Islam has made a substantial contribution to the Islamic financial sector of the country. Its goal is to provide for the material requirements of society while constantly abiding by the laws and precepts of Sharia.
So, learning an annuity brings a lot of benefit to us. The objective of study is a lot. At first, it is to examine the practical uses of annuities in retirement planning. Second of all, is to teach us about the structured settlements and long term care. It is also to solve a particular problem and for us to use the annuity formula taking into account the interest rates, duration, and frequency of payments. The objective of study is also to create an amortization schedule that breaks down each of the payments over time into principal and interest. Moving on to the methodology, which is the problem description. So we have Milan, a 35-year-old teacher, and she plans to open an investment account to reach major financial goals quickly, like starting a business and buying a car without burdening her husband. And she chooses Bank Islam for its Sharia compliant investment options. Milan aims to save 35,000 ringgit Malaysia in 2 years with a 4.1 interest rate compounded monthly, setting a monthly payment limit of 700 ringgit Malaysia. However, after missing the first five payments due to a coma, she needs to determine her sixth payment and the total arrears. After 15 payments, Milan decides to pay off the remaining balance immediately and calculates the lump sum needed to settle the account.
Okay, I am Fatima and I'll be moving on with the data collected. So this is the data collected, the loan, which is the present value of annuity, which is RM 35,000, the interest rate, the frequency of these payments, the time is 2, the interest, as well as the number of years and amount paid that's new as well. So moving on, we have the results and the interpretation. So the first one we have is the amount of periodic payment. This is the formula. It is the present value formula. We will input all the previous data collected inside of this formula and input in our calculator, and we will find the answer for the amount of periodic payment. Next, moving on, is the future value of annuity. The R is RM700. This is the formula as well. And the same as usual, we input the value and uh, we get the result, which is this, the RM17476.94. Then we have number three and four. The number three being interest earned, which is the formula I equals S minus R. Input the values, you will get the final answer. And then we need to account for any of the missed few payments that has been scheduled. The number of years being six. This is the formula, input the values, and we will get the amount. Next, we have the number five, payment done after earlier than the scheduled. So we will get the n unpaid equals the n total minus the n paid. 24 minus 15 is 9. Input it into the formula, which is this, and we will get the final answer. Then we have the amortization schedule. I'm not going to go too deep into it since this is quite a lot, but basically this is all the data that has been collected, and this is the range here as well. And next we have
Okay, now last but not least is a conclusion. Okay, the decision to purchase an annuity from Bank Islam will be influenced by a variety of factors, including the terms, interest rates, fees, and your financial objective. To make informed decision, all data must be thoroughly reviewed and compared to other options. So that's all from us, and thank you.